Hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a new product. I am proud, happy to announce that I partnered with the guys at Hidden T as one of their distributors for their product, and I'm using this product on some 30 to 50 and 15 to 30 weight class builds that I'm working on currently. And so I'll have a video that shows really how to install the Hidden T, but what I want to do in today's video is talk about the Hidden T and show you a few things about this. And then of course I'll have a link in the description below to my website where you can pick it up. So the first thing to understand about the Hidden T is let's get the big stuff out of the way first. Let's talk about the price point. So the price on this bad boy is $39.95. $39.95. The second thing you need to know about the Hidden T is that this can be used on new builds, and it can also be used as a retrofit to a current rod that you already have or have been using. And it's very easy to attach to a rod that's already built out and been used for quite some time. This is a great way to update, modernize the butt portion of that rod. So that takes care of that. The next thing is I want to talk about how to employ it. So it's pretty sturdy. It locks into place, but when you want to use it, you just snap it out to fight, and then you snap to store it, right? Again, if you're ready to employ it, you just pop it out. And then this is how, so when it's snapped closed, it's straight as if you were fishing, or it's down in the gunnel of the boat in the rod holder. And then when you snap it out, this is how you employ it. And then you have this bottom portion against your waist or your hip or your thigh, or however you decide to employ it. And that's going to give you more leverage to help you fight the fish that you're trying to reel in. The other part is going to give you more surface area, so you don't have just something like the butt or a gimbal poking you in the gut. Also, once we set the hook and we pull the rod out and we're going to fight it, standing, if you will, then someone's got to give us the foam golf ball looking thing that can slide over it. Sometimes they fit pretty loosely, sometimes they fit snug, and sometimes they're a little too small, if you will, to fit over the rod. So you just snap it out, and then you can engage the fish, and reel that in. Again, giving you a bit more surface area versus just the gimbal or the butt poking you in the gut. It also has these tread marks right here down on the bottom to help grab a hold of your clothing material, up or against your body. Gives you a little bit of grip, so it's a little bit tighter and a little bit less slipping, if you will. To close it, all you do is close it all the way like that, and then just take two fingers and snap it shut just like that, and then it's in the stored configuration. Again, I'm just going to pop that out, right? And then close that in. It can be used for left and right hand retrieves. Again, if you're left-handed and you're reeling the rod, or if you're right-handed reeling in the rod, and again, we'll close that up. It has, again, the fighting gimbal here, so it can lock into place in your boat. Or if you decide to pull it out and you decide not to engage the Hidden T, but you have a belt on, that this will go ahead and lock into your belt when you're fighting the fish. Also comes with some instructions on the inside, so you're definitely going to know how to install that and be squared away that way. Retrofits. Well, actually, let's skip the retrofit piece. I'll get to that here in a second. The overall length from the bottom of the butt to the top portion is 8 inches in the stowed configuration, 8.5 inches in the stowed configuration. And then when you're in the fighting configuration, from here to here is 6 inches. So 8.5 inches in the stowed configuration. And then in the fighting configuration, pop that open again, sorry guys, in the fighting configuration, we're back down to 6 inches. The outside diameter of the hidden T is 1 1/4 or 1.25 inches. So if you're trying to match that up with cork or match that up with EVA foam grips here on the outside, that's going to be 1.25 inches. The inside diameter, right? If we're going to be, of course, inputting or inserting a butt in here, the inside diameter of this is 0.940 inches. You also have, if I go ahead and pop this open and I look here, you can see that we also down on the inside. So you can also see that there has been some grooves cut out on the inside, increasing the surface area that would attach to your blank. Again, increasing the surface area is pretty important. That way it's not just a smooth surface on the inside and, you know, attaching to your arbors and to your blank. You've got that increased surface area when we talk about contact with your epoxy or your paste to your arbors and to your blank. So that's where we're at with that. If I am going to use this as a, well, either way, as a retrofit or a new install, it just depends on what you're doing. But a rod that's up to a 1/2 inch an outside diameter, you're going to end up using 4 inches of that blank that are going to go down inside on the inside here. If you're using a rod that is larger or from a 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch and outside diameter, again a blank, but that has an outside diameter from a 1/2 to 5/8 inch, you're going to end up putting 3 inches of the blank, bottom portion of the blank inside this handle for it to fit. Again, I can use this in a new custom rod build, or I can take a rod that's got a, you know, possibly a beat up portion of the grip. The butt or the gimbal on the bottom is messed up. All you have to do is take that butt or gimbal off, and then, you know, you measure up, you cut your handle material, you remove that handle material to expose, you know, whether you're a 5/8 up to a 5/8 inch or up to a 1/2 inch, you're going to cut however much, again, 3 or 4 inches of that material off to install it, and then you'll be good to go. Again, the Hidden T, I think it is a great product. I was excited to see this at ICAST. Again, I partnered up with the company as one of their distributors, one of their custom rod manufacturer distributors. I am selling this on my website for $39.95, the same amount of money it costs you to buy it from Hidden T. If you've got some coupons from me, if you've got a discount code because you newly subscribed to my mailing list or anything like that, you could use that discount code that was sent to you for that. And maybe we'll look at possibly putting it on sale again in the future. But for right now, it's going to retail at $39.95 on my website. And again, the link is down in the description below. Pretty solid, pretty effective. A lot of rough and demanding testing that this went through down in Florida. The inventor and designer and manufacturer of this product is a charter boat captain. He's the one that came up with this. It's been ran through the paces. It is a tough product, and it is a great product. Again, just a way for someone to easily transition from the boat gunnel out of the rod holder, and then, you know, just snap it down into action. And then I've got more leverage because I have this T shape or upside down T shape. I've got more leverage, more surface area, so it's less painful for me to put the butt into my hip or into my gut or on my thigh or something like that, and reel in a fish. Again, I think this is a game changer, guys. This is a game changer when it comes to, you know, freshwater lake or open sea, you know, medium to big game fishing rods. This is going to be a game changer. So I hope you guys find this this exciting. Again, this is the Hidden T, made here in the United States, designed, invented, designed, manufactured by a boat captain, charter fishing boat captain down in Florida. A lot of extensive R&D has gone into creating this product and putting it together. And I hope you guys are excited as much as I am, and of course as much as he is getting this out on the street and into your guys' hands as rod builders. And even if you're not a rod builder and you're just a fisherman and you want to modify your rod, it is easy to do it. So again, here's the Hidden T. Stay tuned. I will have a couple of videos out that show you how to install it. I'm going to do a video on a new custom rod install, and then I will do another separate video on a retrofit so you guys can see what I'm saying. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like the Hidden T. I hope you're as excited as we are. And just FYI, when you go to close it, don't squeeze your hand because it'll pinch your hand on the inside. Squeeze it from here on the outside, and you guys are good to go. All right, guys, until next time, take care. Bye.